Hello students. Next stability order of carbocation order, stability of carbocation order student. First one that is A compound, that is this is A compound, that is allylic carbocation, propyl carbocation, ethynyl carbocation. Out of these three, which one is more stable? We know condition student, that is stability. How to find out stability? The compound, that is what is the condition student? Positive charge. I give a simple trick. Positive charge should be less on carbon. Positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. This is also primary carbocation, it is also primary carbocation, it is also primary carbocation. All primary carbocations are there. Out of these three, which one is more stable? Here double bond is there, then single bond is there, and positive charge. Double, single, positive, that is conjugation is there. This positive charge participating in the resonance. This positive charge participating in the resonance, so that's why this positive charge is completely disappear. Simply remember student, what is the condition stability of carbocation condition? Positive charge should be less on carbon. This positive charge is completely disappear, so that's why it is more stable. A is more stable than. What about B student? This B compound having, what is the role of CH3 CH2? This positive charge beside carbon, two carbons are there, that is CH3 CH2, that is ethyl group. What is the role of ethyl group student? It is belongs to plus I group. It is belongs to plus I and hyperconjugation. What is the role of plus I group student? That is plus I group is always electron releasing group, so that's why electron releasing group, so that's why this positive charge is slightly decreases. Positive charge is slightly decreases compared to this one. In this A compound, positive charge completely disappear, so that is A compound is more stable than B compound. And what about B compound? So this positive charge slightly decreases. But what about C compound student? This positive charge does not change. This positive charge does not change. So here stability order is A is more stable than B compound, B is more stable than C compound. This is the simple trick student. What about C compound student? This positive charge does not change. Why? Because of there is no plus I and minus I effect. And one more thing, this carbon is sp2 hybridization. CH2 carbon sp2 carbon, that is more electron negativity. So electron negativity, compound having electron negativity is there, that is always electron withdrawing, so that's why this positive charge is increases, but this is no effect here. This positive charge does not change, there is no change, but A compound is more stable than B compound, B compound is more stable than C compound. Why? Because of our concept stability of carbocation means positive charge should be less on carbon, that compound is always more stable. So in A compound, this positive charge participating in the resonance, so that's why this positive charge is completely disappear, so that's why A compound is more stable than B compound. What about B compound? This in B compound positive charge is slightly decreases, so that's why B compound is more stable than C compound. What about C compound student? C compound, this positive charge already positive, this positive charge does not change, there is that does not change, so as usual positive charge is there, though as usual positive charge is there, so that's why A is more stable than B, B is more stable than C. Then next one student, that is what about this compound student? That is first one, allylic carbocation is there, allylic carbocation is there, and propyl carbocation is there, phenyl carbocation is there. Out of these three, this is benzyl carbocation, this is benzyl carbocation. Out of these three, which one is more stable? More stable student? Double bond, then single bond. This positive charge participating in the resonance, so here positive charges disappear. What about B compound student? B compound electron releasing group, so here positive charge is slightly decreases. So A is more stable than B, we know A is more stable than B. Why? Because of this positive charge completely disappear, but B compound having slightly decreases. But what about C compound student? What about C compound? This C compound also conjugation is there. This positive charge double single double single double single, this positive charge participating in the resonance, 3 times participating, but here also resonance is there, and here also resonance is there. Out of these two, which one is more stable student? Out of these two, A is more stable than B, but out of these A and C, which one is more stable? So here this positive charge participating in the resonance 3 times, so that's why more number of times participating in the resonance, that is the more stable. So more number of resonating structures always more stable. In the C compound having 4 resonating structures are possible, but in A compound only 2 resonating structure. How to find out resonating structure student? This double bond, simple trick, simple I will give simple trick. One double bond is there, one resonating structure, one positive charge is there, one more resonating structure. So there are two resonating structure, but in this C compound here 3 double bonds are there, that means 3 resonating structure, one positive charge is there, 3 plus 1 4. So here C compound is 4 resonating structure, A compound only 2 resonating structure. More number of resonating structure compound always more stable. So here C is more stable than A. This is the simple trick, student. C is more stable than, C compound is more stable than A compound. A compound is more stable than B compound. B compound is the least stable. Why? Because this B compound having only plus I is there and hyperconjugation is there. But in A compound is resonance is there, B compound also resonance is there. We know stability of carbocation order, priority order, we know order, student, that is first priority goes to resonating structure, second priority goes to hyperconjugation, third priority goes to inductive effect. So resonating structure, two structures are possible, or two structures are there. Out of these two structure, which one is more stable? C compound. Why? Because of more number of resonating structure. And one more thing, this positive charge participating in the resonance 3 times, this positive charge participating in the only 1 time. So here out of these 3, this positive charge is in C compound, positive charge is completely disappear. So that's why if positive charge is less is there, that compound is always more stable. So C is more stable than A is more stable than B. This is the simple trick, student. And one more question, student. All are cyclohexane compounds. This is tertiary carbocation, this is secondary carbocation, this is primary carbocation. We know, student, out of these 3 we know order, carbocation order. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation, secondary carbocation is more stable than tertiary carbocation. We know order. A is more stable than B, B is more stable than C. We know order. Why? Because this is tertiary carbocation. What is this? Is CH3 group. What is the role of CH3 group, student? That is methyl group, is electron releasing group. So A compound having plus I, and hyperconjugation. B compound having plus I and hyperconjugation, and A compound having plus I and hyperconjugation. So here out of these 3, this A compound having here also 2 hydrogens, here also 2 hydrogens. So here the positive charge beside carbon, alpha carbon. Here total 7 alpha hydrogens are present. 7 alpha hydrogen means 7 hyperconjugates. But in B compound, this positive charge beside carbon, alpha carbon. Here also 2 hydrogens, here also 2 hydrogens. Here 4 alpha hydrogen, that means 4 hyperconjugation. A compound A compound having 7 hyperconjugation, B compound having 4 hyperconjugation, and C compound having plus I is there, hyperconjugation is there, only 1 hyperconjugation is there. So out of these 3, which one is more stable, student? A is more stable than B, B is more stable than C. What about D compound, student? In D compound, here also CH3 group is there, that means plus I group, electron releasing group. Here double bond is there, this D compound having resonance, double bond, then single bond positive, tertiary carbocation also possible, and one more thing, that is plus I group also possible, hyperconjugation also possible, and resonance also possible. Resonance means double bond, then single bond, then positive charge. This positive charge participating in the resonance. One more thing, student, you remember this compounds, D compound having conjugation. Conjugation means what I said, student, double bond, then single bond, then positive charge is there, that means conjugation. That means this positive charge participating in the resonance, this positive charge participating in the resonance. So that's why this positive charge is completely disappear due to the resonance. Resonance is there, hyperconjugation is there, plus I effect is there. But A compound, B compound, C compound, only plus I effect is there, hyperconjugation is there. One more thing, student. Once again, A compound, B compound, C compound having only hyperconjugation and inductive effect is there. But D compound having plus I effect is there, hyperconjugation is there, resonance is there. We know order, first priority goes to resonance. So resonance first priority, resonance compounds are more stable, resonating compounds are more stable than hyperconjugates compound. Hyperconjugates compounds are more stable than inductive effect compounds. So here we know order, student. Out of these 3 ABCs, A is more stable than B, B is more stable than C, but D is more stable than A. This is the order, student. This is the more. Out of these 4, which one is more stable, student? What is the correct addition? D is more stable than A is more stable than B is more stable than C. This is the stability order of carbocation order, student. This is a simple trick, student. Stability order of carbocation depends on first priority goes to resonating structure, then second priority goes to hyperconjugation, then third priority goes to inductive effect. This is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please once again please click on like. Thank you.